Hey guys, today learn how to enable access to camera on Snapchat. So if you are experiencing some issues with your Snapchat application that it needs access to your camera, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this and fix this issue step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first, so let's scroll down and see if we can find it. So it's right here, so tap on Snapchat. And in order for us to enable access to the camera, of course, all we need to do is to go on over to the camera options and basically make sure that you have this enabled. So as you see right here, we can see the camera options under the Allow Snapchat to Access options. And we need to go ahead over onto the camera and have this enabled. This toggle button right here. And once you have that enabled, of course, well, Snapchat now has access to the camera. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.